Hi, I'm Susan. Today I'm participating in week 18 of the Margarete Miller Collage Challenge. And I hope everybody's doing great. Our prompts for this week is something that emits heat. So I'm going to use lightning, a path or a road. I've got this and I've got this. It was together, but it was too big for my page. So I'll probably lean towards this one because my book's small. But we'll see. Something that splashes, I've got rain, a form, blank or filled. So I've got this ticket, this receipt, and then bonus is a ticket. So I've got this ticket. So without further ado, let's get started. well, here's my finished project. Let's see if we got everything. We've got something that emits heat, and I've got my lightning, a path or a road, I've got this, something that splashes, I've got the rain, white space, I'm not sure if I mentioned that before, but white space is one of the prompts, so I left white space here and there, a form, blank or filled, and I've got this receipt here, and the bonus is a ticket, and I've got my ticket there. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button if you haven't, ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment, tell me what you think. Y'all be sure and check out Margarete Miller's channel, and be sure and check out the hashtag 2023 CWP 18. Make sure I got that right. Yeah, 18. Time sure is flying. So until next time, y'all have a great and wonderful week. Bye, y'all.